Okay, so for part 2 we're going to prepare our contour data that we've downloaded from AURIN, and we're going to prepare it in Arcmap. So I've typed in Arcmap into the start window, and I'm coming over here to the catalogue on the right hand side, and I'm adding a folder connection because Arcmap won't find folders unless you've given it a folder connection. And what I'm doing is I'm adding a location for Arcmap to look in. So I've set it as the same folder that I put my shapefile into, my unzipped shapefile from AURIN. Then I come to the Add Data button, and when I select that, it shows me that it is able to look in the folder that I set up before through the catalogue. And I'm just going to browse to that shapefile now, which I unzipped in here. And AURIN does give it a strange name. That's fine. We still just select on it. We're about to change the file name to something else anyway. And here you'll see the sort of strange stretched version that it is. It's stretched like that because it's in a geographic coordinate system. When we export to CAD, we will unsquash it essentially. So coming up here to the layers box, I am going to right click on the file that I just added, and I'm going to open the attribute table. This is just the associated information for each piece of line work that's in that file. So what I need to do in here is I'm looking to see whether there is 3D information, and there is, and it's under a field called altitude. AutoCAD needs altitude to be called elevation, so we need to set up a new field called elevation. So coming up here to the table options, I'm going to click on the arrow and add a field, and this time I'm going to call this elevation with a capital E, because that is what AutoCAD understands. Short integer is fine, it's just a number. After I've done that, I click on the elevation field and then right click to get to the field calculator. What I want elevation to equal, which is what this is down here, this is the expression. I want elevation to equal altitude, so I just double click altitude and click OK. That'll take a minute. Once it's done, you'll see that elevation is equal to the same values that it's in the altitude field. Now I can close that, and I am ready to export.